Very similar weapon types, although very different in design. You notice the position of the wheels between these two robots. Like one is further into the center while the other one is farther back. It depends on what your drive style, what your preference are. If you have wheels closest to the center of your robot, it's a little bit more maneuverable, but however, very slow and can be uncontrollable at times. Right, both robots are ready. Let's get this fight going. Start. 3, 2, 1. Loud drum from Casting and immediately rushing out of the gate. Ogre's trying to get his bearings. Nice shot on the Ogre by Casting. Ooh, nice pop shot. Casting getting into position. Ogre needs to step back. He does so. But now he needs to try to see if he can get away from Casting's barrage of hits. Casting is wicked fast. I also wonder like how he's able to control a robot with speed like that. Ogre needs to keep his left foot. One of the big things between like two drum spins that you gotta keep in mind is that you need to try to spin your weapon as fast as you can in order to win some of these engagements. Casting is doing that just fine. Oh, and we see some big pieces fly off of Ogre. I think the frame is about to split. Ogre hitting his own heels now, upside down. Trying to do weapon engagements. And it's starting to fly. I see the drum on Ogre. Yes, the drum on Ogre is split in half. And I think it jammed itself, so the drum is no longer working. We have about 42 seconds. Tap out.